like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
Hibiscus for hair loss. Hair is a protein filament that grows from follicles found in the dermis, or skin. Hair is one of the defining characteristics of mammals. Ingredients you need: hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower has revitalizing properties, and it also nourishes hair. Boil some hibiscus in coconut oil till it gets black. Massage it in the scalp with this oil. You can also make a paste of hibiscus. Apply this paste on the scalp and wash it after 30 minutes. Use any of these remedies 2 or 3 times in a week, and see the difference. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about hibiscus for hair loss.